Hello guys, this is Farjana. Welcome to my another quick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how we can customize our WordPress login page from this design to this one. The default style of this login page is kind of boring. So if we want to make our login page design with our brand color and with our own logo, so it will be similar with our website design, so it will look more professional. And if you have any membership website or multiple user website where people need to log in or they need to create account, so that will be very useful feature for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to dashboard, then going to plugins and add new plugins. Now here I'm searching for Irident Custom Login, and this is the plugin Irident Custom Login and Dashboard. So now I'm going to install this plugin and then going to activate. Okay, so after activating this plugin, if we scroll down to installed plugin list, so here is the plugin Irident Custom Login Dashboard. So from here we can go to settings page, and before changing any settings, if we check the login page now, just copy the URL and open a new tab, paste it here, and here I'm typing website URL /wplogin.php, and here is our login page. So by default we are getting this design from this plugin, and now I want to customize the background image, our logo, and the login form, buttons, and all this. Okay, so now first I'm going to change our background image. So for that, going here and here login screen background. So from here we can set any specific color for background, or from here we can upload any background image. So now going to add background image, and here I have already some images to my library. I'm going to use this one for background, and here login screen background repeat, we can make it to no repeat, and background position we can make it to center. Then background size we can make it to 100% width and auto height, or we can make it to cover or anything. And now if I save changes, and now I'm going to refresh. Okay, so now you can see our background image is updated. So next, the logo. So now I'm going to upload my own logo here. So for that, going to login screen logo. So from here I'm going to upload my own logo. For example, here I'm going to upload this one, and if we check here we can see the width 320 pixel and 33 pixel height. So going to insert this one, and here logo width 320 and height 33 pixel, and now save changes. And now I'm going to refresh. Okay, so now my logo is updated here, and finally I'm going to change the form box. So we can also do that from here. So login form settings, so from here we can change login form width. By default this is 350, we can make it to 400. And login form border radius, by default this is 10 pixel border radius, we can make it to 5 pixel. And login border style, by default this is solid. We can see here is a border. We can make our border off or on. So I don't like to use this border, so I'm making it to off. And border thickness I'm making it to 0. And if we use any border, so we can also change the border color from here. So I'm leaving it. And now login form background color. So by default this is a gray color. We can change the color to white. And here is opacity. We can also make our box to transparent, so I'm adding opacity to 8, and here is image. So I don't like to use any background image for login box, so I am going to remove it, and all these settings for background image I'm going to skipping all these. Okay, so now in this state I am saving it, and now if I refresh the page, we can see our box color is changed, and now we can also change this font style and button color. So if I again going to login form settings, so scroll down, and from here login form label text color, by default this is black, so this is this text color, and login form label text size, by default this is 14, so this is 14. And then here is login form input text color, by default this is gray, so this color is this text color, we can leave it as it is. And here is the text size, so we can also decrease this text size, like I'm making it to 18 pixel. And then here is login form link color, by default this is blue, so this is the link color in bottom area. We can make the link color to white. Enable link shadow, so if we check here, we can see here is the text shadow with this text, so we can make it off. And then enable form shadow, so I'm also making it off. And then login button color, by default this is gray color for button, we can make it to any color. So for example, I'm making it to orange. And login button text color, by default this is white, we can keep it. And finally hide register or lost your password, so we can make it hide this text or not. I'm making it on. And hide back to your website link, so I'm also leaving it as default. And now I'm going to save it and refresh our page. Okay, so our form is now updated. And finally, if we scroll down, here is plugin uninstall settings, so it's not so important, we can leave it as default. And finally here is export settings, so we can also export all these settings, and we can also import the settings from a different website. Okay, so here is all for today. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, otherwise you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and welcome to my next tutorial.